Hello again from AN Builds. Today's video is a wee review of the Festool insulated bag, ISOT-FT1, one for the Festool files and a perfect present from your friends and loved ones, so give a hint and help them by sharing this video with them. I hope you'll find the video of interest, and please remember to like, subscribe and click the notification bell for the next one. Also, a big thank you to our PayPal donors. The bag is hidden away in Festool's fan merchandise section of their website, URL in the description. I was ordering some dominoes and other bits and pieces and was short of the threshold for included shipping, and being a Scotsman brought up in Yorkshire, I do like free carriage and was looking through the smaller items and came across the bag and bought it. We've all seen cardboard boxes and plastic bags before, so I'll spare you the unboxing video and just show you the bag. It feels substantial and of good quality. The outside of the bag is finished in a tough polyester fabric which wipes clean with a wet cloth. And the zip is double-ended, appropriately heavy-duty and made by YKK according to Festool. There are two side pockets and a lid pocket. The bag features 6 D-rings and included are 2 adjustable long straps. For me, as a tall and big fellow, I can join the straps together to create a comfortable over-the-shoulder hip bag or use one for a hand carry. It will fit inside a standard sustainer, and for many that will mean easier handling and protection incorporated into a sustainer stack. I'm not peripatetic, nor do I need the bag for work purposes, but having an electric combi car which runs the battery heating circuit on cold days to get the best out of the battery, I appreciate the idea of the bag as a business expense for folk in cold climates to keep their batteries warm, or cool in hot climates so that the batteries are ready to give full output straight away whilst caring for the battery chemistry and enhancing longevity. I bought mine with a holiday coming up to escape the Scottish gloom, as the airline allowed a cabin bag and what they call a personal item such as a handbag or laptop bag, and I wanted a cool bag for use when I arrived to take in the hire car for drinks and packed lunches. The personal item has to fit below the seat in front, and here it is in the plane. The bag will protect a tablet or modest laptop along with any travelling essentials, including, might I suggest, a pair of earplugs from your shop if you are not going to be wearing headphones. It guards against the possibility of your carry-on being put in the hold at the last minute and sensitive things like your laptop being trashed by careless handling, something that has happened to me. Although I won't be doing the test, my laptop in its wallet in the Festool bag I reckon would survive quite a trauma. As a cool bag, it's a cut above anything I have had previously in quality, and the shape and size is spot on for carrying cans and food for at least 2 for a day away from base. The cool bags I have had seem to be made down to a price, and the liner is easily burst or degenerates on account of having a frozen cool pack put in with the contents. Finally, what else would a Festool have for a treat? I like the bag and would recommend it. There is a pleasure in using premium products, and that's why I stretch to my Festool tools. Naturally, they all come at a price, and that includes the Festool bag, but I'm hoping my tools and this bag will last a long time, and that is a degree of economy and sustainability compared to poorer equivalents. Once again, thanks to my son Malcolm, who edits and produces the channel. See you soon. Goodbye.